Swastiastu. Hello ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Niwan Oktalinita. I'm from Parbud Evening Class. Now I would like to make a little vlog about the Puputan Badung. Let's go. Start at first. I will explain about the Puputan. So Puputan is a term or Balinese that refers to what makes a does call it a card daring, where a father then having a surrender to have enemy distant come from the Balinese word. Puput which means dead, break up. Believe that all here in the past can make a story from their action. So Balinese people appreciate their attraction. So from their action, Balinese people appreciate their destination. Balinese people we believe of our hero in the past can make a story from their action. Balinese people appreciate their strategy with the construction of a monument have a meaning. So I will explain first every of a monument have a meaning about Balinese people when a different Bali from colored. And so this monument we call a Puputan Badung monument. This was built in this place. Difficult depicting to spirit of the Balinese warriors at the time even took the wear only. Dearmed with a keris and bamboo spear. And then they never give up. That is why we believe that our hero in the past success difficult but from colonial. That's all about the Puputan. Now we have to the another place that statue we call Patung Caturmuka. So I have been stay before. Every monument in Bali have a meaning. So this Caturmuka statue. In another place, lighting in the traffic light, that statue we call a Patung Caturmuka. So I have been studying before. Every monument in Bali have a meaning, so this Caturmuka statue have a meaning too. The Caturmuka statue was founded in 1973 until 1980. So by I Gusti Nyoman Lempon. Arif Ubud, this is a major high graded statue face the four cardinal direction, namely west as north at a south. This rainbow when seen at night. They have name couples. So this statue is a quite part with a dancing foundation is the colorful like a rainbow convention at the night. As the name couple the Caturmuka statue has a four face. Cast a witch face a station, a street Udayana Street, face Rian Street and Gajah Mada Street. The figure of this statue depicts a Lord Brahmana with our different If this statue depicts Lord Brahmana with a four different facing is called Sangyang Mahadewa. The face facing west is called Sangyang Iswara. Representative is the Sangyang Mahadewa. Representative is the nature of compensation. So the face facing north is called Sangyang Vishnu representative. So the strong nature and the proving is the human. Short the face facing south is the called Sangyang Brahmana, representing the nature of maintaining peace. So that's all about monument and statue. Now we have to fill. So this is the file. If you can see, it is all a very wide field. So things field is a place to public to take their time to chill and enjoy. There is afternoon. So in this field, you can apply a sport to enjoy about the afternoon. So in the fight, you can have sport to the field. You can apply sport to the football, play badminton, exercise basketball. That is for sure a lot. So this is a situation now in this pandemic. Forget to explain about this for your information. In this the past together with the church now as Ciung Wanara I Gusti Ngurah Rai 1917 until 1946 choose for fight all out Puputan against the Darchi troops Marga village. Well, also Bali, their arm was to Bali after the Japa surrenders is the second word of the that's all about the file. We have another place. Next, the place next is the place I don't understand people for Jagatnata. Sorry for jogging around as the Puputan Badung or the Jagatnatha temple. Maybe that's all. Can I explain about this place? And so I would like to explain about this place. Before we move to another place, I will give you another information about this. Is ready to drink water. Focus that is provided to. Yes, this is ready to drink water first. That is a promise to fill water from people who are tired after a cruising. In the past, there are I was incident for the high pinit to a child who was about the 70 years old. Here, so it is first the everyone to has a years old here. Alright, to fill water for people here after a crossing is the past 12 or is years old here. So at first a boy wanted to drink this water was there but was electronic by the church nothing about that. In this ready to drink water culture to ready to the news. You can check here to complete news like the word but about the what know little about the university as that the time. So maybe this is last place is the Puputan Badung. That is Agung Jagatnatha Temple. Agung Jagatnatha Temple is a place here we our Balinese always a good show praying to goods to ask for health for safety in the past on the Jagatnatha temple on February 109,065 the then giver to Bali Mi Anauk Agung Bagus Swejo apresiasi the coaster for the temple. And so Pura Agung Jagatnatha is also Arguably, a lot of the local tourists who visit here almost every day, but they only take a picture from the outside because there are forbidden to enter by people other than a Hindu. Here also there are several small stalls like this. There always sell never the temple like this because to attraction people who can be said to be hungry after a thriving journey to arrive at Pura Agung Jagannatha. For your information, this still stale about you usually from mornings around 7 until 7 a.m. to night maybe around 7 p.m. So Pura Jagannatha or Pura Agung Jagannatha is also adored by a lot of the local tourists who visit here almost every day. So, but they only take a picture from the outside because there are forbidden to enter by a people other than Hindu. Here also there are several small stalls like sting. They always sell near the big temple like this because to attraction people who can be said to be hungry after a tiring journey to people who can be said to be hungry after the tiring. So I refers to Pura Agung Jagannatha. For your information, the sell a thing about usually meaning about the 8 a.m. to tonight maybe around the 8 p.m. Alright, thank you. That's all about the vlog. If I have a mistake, I'm apologize. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Alright, the star nature and reading the human should the face facing should is called Sangyang Brahmana. Referencing the nature of maintaining a face. So that's all about the monument as they should. Now we miss to the field. So this is the field of you can see. It is a very wide field. So this is a file or a place to public to take that time. It is to enjoy the afternoon. So in the tree of file you can play a sport to be like a file. You can play sport to like football and then badminton, jogging, except for the basketball that is a short lot. So this is a situation known in the pandemic. And then forget to explain this so for your information in this in the part together with this third nose is Ciung Menara I Gusti Ngurah Rai. So 1970 so until 1946 choose together all out the Puputan agency. So the dirty troops is the Marga village. So we have to another place. I will give you another information. So about this is one maybe in memory. It's Balinese people. Yes, this is ready to drink water. First that so provided to fill water for people who are tired after interesting. In the past there was incident for the happened to a child who was about 12 or years old. So if first bed wanted to drink here water takes was there about was electronic but namely a challenge close. And then maybe this also what can I explain about the place. Before we have another place. So I will give you another information about this is one. This is one may be memorable for Balinese people. Yes, this is already ready to bring a water force as this provide to fish water for people who are the after exerting.